Okay guys, dumating na yung ating Google AdSense guys, no? So ito na siya. Okay, no? Ngayon guys, samahan nyo ako dahil e-enter tayo guys ng PIN para yung PIN na yon, yun yung magsisilbing unlock natin para makatanggap na tayo ng sweldo dito kay YouTube, no? So samahan nyo ako guys, ito na yung AdSense PIN natin. Bubuksan na natin to. And tara. Okay. Yan.
One eternity later.
Okay. Your Google AdSense personal identification PIN. Welcome to Google AdSense. Your account isn't up to receive payment yet. Please follow the instruction to verify your address.
What?
Okay, instruction. Sign into your AdSense account and find the PIN verification card on your homepage. Enter the PIN exactly as it appears on the right and click submit. Further instruction available here. Okay. Please note that we will stop serving ads through your account if you do not use this PIN to verify your address within 4 months. Thanks. Google AdSense team. Okay guys, no? Ito na yung PIN guys. I-enter na natin dito sa ating Google AdSense. Okay, punta na tayo sa ating Google AdSense. Oops, hindi yan. Ito yun. Okay. Buksan natin ang ating Google AdSense. Okay, yan guys. Okay. Punta tayo sa payment. Ito na. Okay, verify tayo ng address. And then, i-enter na natin ang ating 6-digit verification PIN. 15. Okay guys, no? Identity verification completed na tayo. Okay, makaka-receive na tayo ng sahod sa YouTube. Okay na guys. So kayo galingan nyo lagi and sipagan nyo mag-upload at makakaya nyo rin ma-reach yung goal nyo for 1,000 and 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours guys, no? And then ma-monetize kayo and makapag-request kayo ng PIN and then ma-verify nyo inyong address para maka-receive na kayo ng inyong mga sahod kapag kayo na-monetize na dito sa YouTube. So yun lang guys, God bless and maraming salamat sa inyo. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Bye-bye.